сьогодні ОКУ, це як Україна змінюється завдяки вам і завдяки таким установам, як Український католицький університет.
All the work that UCU is doing in supporting young people and helping to change Ukraine is thanks to the support of people like you.
For me personally, and not only for me, for many people with whom I spoke in Ukraine, for many in our party, for many, hard-thinking and non-trivial people in the country, you are a beam of hope. Hope that we finally will build this true, responsible, enlightened civil society. This elite that will and shall overcome Russian aggression, corruption, poverty, frustration. Society that will be able to leapfrog and catch up our European neighbors. Society that will be able to build rules and institutions